What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and right now we're doing a video camera test of the Blu Vivo 1 Plus. I believe that's the name of the phone. Blu Vivo 1 Plus here. The camera itself is 13 megapixels. It has an LED flash on the back, and the front-facing camera is 13 megapixels as well with an LED flash in the front. And I'm shooting this at 1080p currently. So let me know what you think of the video quality here. It seems to be a little sluggish from the viewfinder here, but maybe it'll be a little different when I actually, get the video here on YouTube. The camera itself doesn't have OIS, it has EIS, so electronic image stabilization. And I am holding the phone as steady as possible here. I'm trying to see how stable I can get the video. But let's go ahead and see how good it can focus here on this plant or tree, whatever. Okay, it's not focusing, so let me go ahead and tap it. Much better. Much better. So the focusing on this phone is actually pretty good. When you actually tap the focus. Here's a little bit of zoom in. Not the best digital zoom at all. Whoa. But that's going to be the end of the rear facing video here. Let me know what you think of the audio quality and the video quality, and I'll see you guys in the front facing one. What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a quick little video. This is going to be the front facing camera of the Blu Vivo 1 Plus. The camera itself is 13 megapixels, and I'm shooting this here at full HD. I believe they call it the fine quality here. So let me know what you think of the video quality here. From what I'm seeing, it's like it's a little choppy. It's not the most clearest camera, even though it's 13 megapixels. But I guess it can get the job done. Yeah, it seems like there could be a little blur in the camera as well. Let me know what you think of the audio quality. Look at that. Overexposed. Jeez. Well, can't do nothing about it. But let me know what you think of the audio quality as well. Yeah. The video is not really nothing to write home about. I can already see that literally in the viewfinder. But yeah. Let me know what you think of the video quality and the audio quality, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. So be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is uploaded to the channel, you'll be notified immediately. But until then, I want to say thank you, of course, for watching this video. As you do know, my name is Max Rock, and you have a good day. Deuces.